Literally just got back from Thailand. What a world of contrast. 33 degrees, sunny, sunshine at the beach, and now in Finland where it's almost winter. But I'm not complaining. I'm super happy to be back. And one reason why I'm happy to be back is the day that we left for our trip, a really special package arrived. And now you can only imagine how I'm feeling right now. I'm like a little boy on Christmas. For 3 weeks, I've been waiting to finally open up this package. And I think if it is what I think it is, I'm gonna be really pumped to open up and test it out. That's right, the package has arrived. The boosted rev has finally arrived. Guys, I think I've officially found my new favorite electric vehicle. The boosted rev, this thing's incredible. We were just taking it out there, taking it for a spin, testing out the top speeds, seeing in what conditions it can ride. And man, this thing's amazing. Boosted, you did a really good freaking job. First things first, the boosted rev, it has a top speed of 24 miles per hour. That's almost 40 kilometers. That's fast. Now, even though it's so fast and really fun to ride, at the same time, I still felt that it was really safe to ride. Now, I've driven some of the electric scooters in Helsinki, for example, and when you're riding those guys, first off, they're not so fast, and secondly, the suspension on those things are terrible. So every single bump that you hit, you really feel it. But with the boosted rev, the suspension, the wheels, they're really nice. They can really absorb the potholes and the cracks in the road. They can go on more gravel terrain or the pavement. All terrain, really nice to ride with the boosted rev. And the last thing I've really loved about this guy is the range. It has a 22-mile range. That's almost 35 kilometers. And for myself, to commute from home to the office is about 10 kilometers and back another 10 kilometers, giving me some extra mileage to, you know, pop into the city, grab lunch, go back to the office. And that's been super helpful for me because ever since I've been working at the office, my wife and I have been having to share a car. So I've been trying to figure out what would be the best solution for me to commute to the office and back. And the boosted rev has been the answers to my problems. Now, some of you guys might be thinking, okay, you're praising the boosted rev. What are the downsides? Now, I think the biggest downside, or probably the biggest hurdle for most people when it comes to the boosted rev, is the price. The price is a steep $1,600 US. And for a lot of you guys, that's just way too much. You don't have that much money to spend on an electric vehicle. But at the same time, I want to throw it out there that if you are a person who commutes to work in the city, what's cheaper, buying a $1,600 electric scooter or having a car that you got to worry about parking, you got to pay for that, you got to worry about gas, you got to pay for that, and as well, you got to sit in traffic, so you're paying with time. Because if you're riding the boosted rev in the city, you're definitely cruising by all the cars in the traffic. So overall, really love this guy. Can't wait to try it out more and tell you more in the future how I'm liking the boosted rev. But overall, my first impressions, boosted, you've done an amazing job. Guys, hopefully you've enjoyed this winter edition review. I think I've pushed the limits of the boosted rev and showed off what it can do. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. If you yet haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit that subscription button and make sure you like the video and comment below what your thoughts are on the boosted rev. One thing I am learning the hard way though, if you're gonna drive home from work with the boosted rev, you better have your beanie and your gloves, because I'm freaking freezing right now.